Good morning, students. I hope all of you are healthy and fine at home. We Nalandians always try to improve the caliber of our tiny tots in best possible way. So today I will tell you how to utilize this lockdown period in taking care of plants and growing of plants. Today I will tell you how to grow a rose plant. So you can see in the video I have taken two twigs, one thick twig and one thin twig. Now I have taken one cutter. With the help of this cutter, we will remove all the leaves of these twigs. But before using this cutter, we will heat this so that all the germs and the bacteria present on this cutter can be killed. After killing those bacteria and the germs, we will cut the leaves with the help of this cutter. Now see how to cut the leaves with the help of the cutter. We will cut these leaves very carefully. We know, children, the rose plant is grown with the help of the stem. So we have taken these stems of the rose plant. Now we will cut the size of the rose stem. It should be near about 1 feet or 1.5 feet. You can see in the video. Now to grow these twigs in the summer season, we will take the help of a potato. In winter season, it can be grown directly into the soil, but in summer season, we will use potato. Now put this twig in the potato as you can see in the video. The purpose of using potato is to preserve the moisture of the stem. Now we will take a earthen pot. Earthen pot means mitti ka pot. We will not prefer a cemented pot here because it becomes very hot very soon in summer season. So we will prefer here a earthen pot so that it remain cool in summer season. You can see the length of the pot also. Now we will put a stone in the center to preserve the water when we water the plant. I have taken the garden soil in this pot because rose plant can be grown easily in the garden soil. Now take the twig which is present in the potato. Now put this potato twig into the soil. Now put the soil over the potato. Now water the plant. After some time, this soil will absorb all the water. Now in the summer season, to prevent the plant from the excessive evaporation and the transpiration, we will keep this plastic bottle on the plant. It will prevent the plant from excessive loss of water in the summer season. We will keep it like this for 2 weeks. Now see children, I have grown another rose plant in my garden. Now after 2 weeks, the plant will be like this. It will grow like this, and the rose flowers also will grow on that. Now I will show you the roots of this plant also. The roots will also grow finally. See, the roots of the plant are also grown properly. In this way, students, you can also grow so many plants in your garden. You can make a kitchen garden also, you can make roof garden also if space is not available at your home, and you can utilize your time in best possible